So hi and hello. Welcome to our channel named Algo Exploration. My name is Sameer and from today onwards we will going to start the searching algorithm. The first one is linear search, that is we will going to search the element in a linear fashion. Let's take an example and see it. So this is the example. Now we want to check the element 59 that is present in the list or not. So we will first check it with the first element, that is 0th element. Is 87 equals to 59? No. Is 12 equals to 59? No. Is 59 equals to 59? Yes. So we will return true. That means 59 is present in the list. Similarly, if you want to check whether element 17 is present in the list or not. So starting with the first element, is 87 equals to 17? No. 12 equals to 17? No. 59? No. 33? No. 76? No. 42? No. 28? No. 95? No. 63? No. Is 17 equals to 17? Yes, it is. So we will return true. That means 17 is present in the list. Now, if you want to check whether element 1 is present in the list or not. So, what we will do, we will start to search from the first element. So, is 87 equals to 1? No. 12? No. 59? No. 3 no. 76 no. 42 no. 28 no. 95 no. 63 no. 17 no. So we are at the end of the list and any of the elements are not equals to 1. So we will return false. So what will be the pseudocode look like? The pseudocode will be since we are starting with the 0th element and going till n, we will take the help of loop I equals to 0 going till n. We will check whether if a of I equals to x or not. Here x is the element to be searched. If it is, then return true. After the end of the loop, we will return false. That means the element is not present in this list. So here the running time complexity will be order of n, because in the worst case it can go from 0 to n, and the space complexity will be order of 1 because we are not taking any extra space here. Now here is a constraint that they don't want you to find whether the element is present in the list or not. They want you to return that if the element is present, you should return its index. That is, if 59 is present in the list, then it should return 2. That is its index. If 17 is present in the list, then it should return 9. And if the element is not present in the list, then it should return -1. So what will be the pseudocode look like? Similarly, starting with for loop I equals to 0 going till n, if a of I equals to x, then return its index, that is I. If it not the case, then return -1. Here also the time complexity will be order of n and the space complexity will be order of 1. So this is the actually simplest algorithm in the whole algorithm syllabus. Now in the next lecture we'll be understanding the binary search. So thank you.